Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 and this is the Paper Stash Smash. Every month a group of us YouTubers try to go into our stash and bust through it and use it and inspire you hopefully with some projects. So I'm going to tell you what I made for April and then talk about what I'm going to use for May. And I'm going to show you pictures of what I made in April as we're going along. And I have videos on my channels on this. So first of all, I smashed a doodlebug collection, and it was like a large collection, and made several different projects. I made a spiral ring books. I made the books and then decorated them with the doodlebug. So a couple of those. I also finished up my Spring is in the Air collection. I went crazy with all these boxes. And again, it's on my channel if you want to see. I also made this album in a box using the leftovers from my Graphic 45 Spring is in the Air. I did that for Graphic 45's monthly challenge, which was mini albums. This is just a peek into a couple of the pages. Of course, go check out the video on my channel. I also used My Favorite Spring by Echo Park and made a mini album. Here I'm showing you what I had left from the Hip Hip Hooray from Graphic 45, and that shows you what I had at the end of the project. But I did use what I had left over to make these two little folios and these cute little boxes. Here's a Easter shaped album. I also made an egg shaped album, but I don't have a picture. But again, go to my channel and you can check that out. Other projects that I was working on, I had this 49 and Market collection, Plum Grove. I've had it since 2023. I made this mini album and these little folios. Go check out this video and it will tell you if there's a tutorial and all about that. But that is a separate video. And as you can see, I become obsessed with these little treat boxes. Again, it was a tutorial from Pink Strawberries, and I've shown them on my channel several times. This was using a birthday collection from Country Craft Creations when I was in their design team, and I just finished using it all, making these little book boxes. And yet another video on using the rest of my eucalyptus weave collection. Again, I made a mini album in previous months, and I made some one-sheet wonders kind of thing. There's a video on this showing you all the projects and telling you where I got the ideas for them. So check that out in my channel. All right, so as a wrap up, I used Bunny Hop from Doodlebug, Here Comes Easter, My Favorite Spring, Hip Hip Hooray from Graphic 45, Spring is in the Air from G45. I also smashed Voyage Beneath the Sea. I made some book boxes and some other little notebooks, again on my channel. And then also I smashed the leftovers of the birthday collection, eucalyptus weave, and the Plum Grove collection. So I really attack things fast and furiously. So let's talk about May. The criteria for May is 6x6 paper pads or collections. And I only have 3 different ones, well 4, in my stash. So I have this one from Not Too Shabby called Succulent. Obviously it's a succulent theme paper collection or paper pad. So I will be working on smashing that. Now to go along with that, I purchased this a while ago and haven't used it yet, but I have some gorgeous stamps. I mean, they're just so cute. And also some ephemera. So I think since I have 2 collections and the ephemera, I'm going to work on a mini album tutorial. So stay tuned for that, a mini album tutorial using 6x6 collections. And then I also have this S'mores Please paper collection. I mean, it is camping season coming up. It's obviously another 6x6 paper pad. It's got really pretty colors. Now, I don't have anything else of Catherine Pooler, but I will be able to make this into a mini album. And then I also have a 6x6 Believe in Magic by Stephen Duncan. Obviously, it's a Disney-inspired collection. I will make a mini album with this. I also have 12 by 12 papers, so I may or may not have it in conjunction with those, but since the criteria for the month is 6 by 6, my focus will be on this paper pad. So I really don't have much. I hope I don't have 6 by 6 paper pads coming up in the months to come, because I don't have any. This is it. I have some other small ones, but not 6 by 6. I might have to get some. But that's what I have for May. I hope you'll check out everybody else in the collaboration, see what they've made in April, and see what they're planning to make in May. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.